Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of cope. It is possible to effectively deal with difficult situations. For example, his ability to cope with stress. American pronunciation. Cope. Cope. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Cope. Say. Cope. Cope means deal effectively with something difficult. Cope. Cope. Cope origin. Middle English meaning meet with battle, come to blows. It comes from Old French coper and colper. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. How do you cope living with such a high-profile woman? Now, repeat after me. How do you cope living with such a high-profile woman? The second practice. By 2000 he could no longer cope living alone and stopped work. Now, repeat after me. By 2000 he could no longer cope living alone and stopped work.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.